SEIU members today are here in support of legislation that will improve working conditions for all temporary workers in California. This is an important issue that will affect a significant number of working class citizens in this state. And on that note, I'd like to introduce the elected head of Local 521 of SEIU, Kristy Sermersheim. I got it.
Hi, thank you, Kat. Thank you. Yes, today, up and down the state, in Bakersfield, in Los Angeles, in Sacramento, in Santa Cruz, SEIU workers are talking about Assembly Bill 1496. And that bill is meant to make life better for the about 100,000 public workers in the state of California who are really public workers, get up every morning and go to work and serve the community, but they're called temporary or extra help or casual or some other misnomer because they really are working people who provide services in this community. Many of them make less than $10 an hour, much less than the permanent folks who are classified as permanent that they work right next to. That means that our counties and cities and school districts are really just increasing the problems in our cities and counties, because when one of these folks who has no health insurance gets sick, they need to go to the public hospital for health care. They would much prefer to have health insurance and go to the public hospital and pay for their own health care, like the permanent workers, because they are really doing long-term permanent work. Today in the State Assembly, there's an Assembly Bill 1496 that already made it through the first step through passing through the committee. The author of it is Sandra Swanson. We are very proud about this bill, and that's why we're having these press conferences up and down the state to applaud Sandra Swanson for setting up this bill, for putting it in the legislature to identify real legitimate work that is long-term permanent work, but that's being paid for to people who are unfairly paid for as temporary workers. So we're going to meet today a couple of temporary workers in exactly that situation here in the city of Palo Alto, and other people are hearing from workers up and down the state. Thank you.